welcome to Sapthagiri NPS University. Let us discuss about BBA Aviation in Management course. Welcome to the captivating domain of aviation management at Sapthagiri NPS University. In this note, we aim to introduce you to the multifaceted world of aviation and extensive opportunities it offers. Aviation management involves the effective coordination and supervision of various activities within the aviation industry to ensure safe, efficient, and profitable operations. It encompasses a wide range of functions, and the program offers a comprehensive curriculum covering key areas of aviation management, including aviation industry overview, aviation regulations, airport management, airline operations, aviation economics, aviation safety, aviation, so many other things. Students engage in practical learning experiences that simulate real world aviation scenarios. They have the opportunity to explore airport facilities, visit aviation companies, and participate in flight simulations to gain more knowledge. Program equips students with a diverse set of industry relevant skills essential for success in aviation management roles. These include strategic planning, operation management, regulatory compliances, crisis management, etc. Graduates of the aviation management program have diverse career opportunities in various sectors of the aviation industry, including airlines, airports, aviation authorities, aerospace companies, aviation consulting firms, and aviation technology providers. The program emphasizes professional development and prepares students for industry certifications such as International Air Transport Association IATA certifications, Airport Council International ACI certifications, and Federal Aviation Administration. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.